Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can create your Trust Wallet. So first you want to open Trust Wallet and you'll see here two options, and I'll click on create new wallet. And in creating wallet there are two options. You want to select on secret phrases, so here you should back up your secret phrases because this is important. So I chose to back up manually, which you can, and here just check on the boxes you see. So I'll click this three checks. In this part you will have selection of word like recovery phrases. If you're familiar with other crypto wallets, it will give you that. So make sure you copy those and paste it on your notepad, and then proceed on matching the words on the first word, second word, as that's the security goes for this Trust Wallet, and creating a new Trust Wallet. And now after that, you're already done. Trust Wallet has officially created you a new wallet. And that's how you create a new Trust Wallet.